Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you will be fine now. You know that about I will upload it daily routine videos of my parrots. Now my parrots eating a corn, looking so beautiful my parrot. This is my red eyes parrot and this is so beautiful. You see that the multiple colors of my green parrot. This is two similar parrots in my cage. I hope guys you will like the natural sound of my parrots because my parrots is very beautiful natural sound. So guys, if you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. And thank you for watching my videos. And once again, please subscribe me.